Welcome to YouTube. Today, we bring you an exciting and detailed look at the all-new 2025 Force Gurkha. If you're an off-road enthusiast or someone who loves rugged, adventure-ready vehicles, then this SUV is bound to grab your attention. The Force Gurkha has always been known for its durability, strong build, and capability to take on the toughest terrains, and the 2025 model brings even more improvements, making it one of the most exciting off-roaders available in the market. As we begin, let's take a moment to appreciate its bold and aggressive stance. The new Gurkha carries forward its signature boxy design, but with modern refinements. The front end features a large grille with the Force Motors logo proudly displayed at the center. The circular LED headlights with integrated DRLs give it a distinctive and rugged look, while the raised bonnet and muscular fenders enhance its commanding road presence. The blacked-out cladding and heavy-duty bumpers ensure that this vehicle is built to take on extreme challenges. Moving to the side profile, the Gurkha retains its traditional straight lines, but now with a more refined appearance. The large, all-terrain tires, high ground clearance, and side steps highlight its off-road focus. The snorkel comes factory-fitted, ensuring better water-wading capabilities, making it a true blue off-roader. The solid roof rack and roof-mounted indicators add to the adventure-ready appeal, while the sturdy build ensures it can withstand even the harshest conditions. At the rear, the new Gurkha stays true to its rugged roots with a tailgate-mounted spare wheel, vertically stacked LED taillamps, and a minimalist yet practical design. The large rear windshield improves visibility, and the tow hook setup further emphasizes its off-road credentials. Whether it's a rocky trail, deep mud, or a river crossing, this SUV is built to take you anywhere. Stepping inside, the 2025 Gurkha offers a much more refined and comfortable cabin than its predecessors. While it remains a purpose-built off-roader, the new model introduces improved ergonomics, a modern infotainment system, and better quality materials. The touchscreen infotainment system comes with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay connectivity, ensuring a connected experience even in remote locations. The new digital instrument cluster provides essential driving information, and the refreshed dashboard layout makes everything more accessible. The seats are now more comfortable, offering better support for long journeys. The rear seating configuration remains unique with captain seats, ensuring a comfortable experience for passengers. With ample headroom and legroom, the cabin feels spacious, further enhancing the overall driving experience. The large windows provide an airy feel, and the improved insulation makes the ride quieter than before. Under the hood, the 2025 Force Gurkha continues to be powered by a reliable 2.6-liter diesel engine, known for its durability and strong low-end torque. The engine is mated to a 5-speed manual transmission, ensuring a more engaging driving experience. The four-wheel drive system with manually locking differentials allows the Gurkha to conquer the toughest terrains with ease. With its short overhangs, excellent approach and departure angles, and robust chassis, it remains one of the most capable off-roaders in its class. On the road, the driving experience has been improved with better suspension tuning, offering a more comfortable ride without compromising off-road performance. The hydraulic power steering has been refined for better maneuverability, making it easier to drive in city conditions while still excelling in rough terrains. Whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling an extreme off-road trail, the Gurkha delivers confidence and control at every step. In terms of safety, the new Gurkha now comes equipped with dual airbags, ABS with EBD, a reinforced body structure, and rear parking sensors. These additions make it a much safer choice while maintaining its rugged, adventure-ready DNA. The vehicle is designed to withstand tough conditions while keeping occupants safe and secure. Overall, the 2025 Force Gurkha is a perfect blend of old-school toughness and modern-day enhancements. It retains its legendary off-road capabilities while adding new features that improve comfort, convenience, and safety. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast, an explorer, or someone who simply appreciates a rugged, go-anywhere SUV, the new Gurkha is sure to impress. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this detailed look at the 2025 Force Gurkha, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more automotive content. Let us know in the comments what you think about the new Gurkha and if you would take it on an adventure. Stay tuned for more exciting videos, and we'll see you in the next one.